个妹子，
你挡到他的脸。
他的脸不重要啊。对啊。
哎，不好意思，800块泰铢。
你收费好贵哦。
800块泰铢。
All right, team, listen up. This crew is about family, but the game has changed now. Dominic Toretto just went rogue.
You gonna turn your back on family? I know it looks bad. Don't give up on him so easy.
We've only got one chance to make this family whole again.
Don't do this, Dom.
You ready?
One thing I can guarantee, no one's ready for this.
She's the very definition of high-tech terrorism.
There's thousands of cars in this city, and now they're all mine.
Now I know what it feels like to be every cop ever chasing us. Wait! Ah! Oh, damn!
高雄、云林、Randy。
Our paths have crossed before, Dom. You just didn't know it. I think I need to remind you why you chose to be here.
I got no choice.
If you're gonna catch Dom, you're gonna need a little help.
You want to tell me why you just put me in a room with this tea and crumpets eating criminal?
You know, I think that tight t-shirt's cutting off the circulation in your brain. You should get bigger size.
You guys are gonna work together.
Love to.
I've been waiting for this. We got a tank.
They just don't give up, do they?
You thought this was gonna be a street fight.
It's not a torpedo!
Take the wheel.
What? This is crazy!
All right, you get style points for that one.
Woo!
I don't know why you're doing this, but I know one thing. You love me. Fire!
Hang on to your ass.
Dom!
Hello， 我是莫小爱。
我是小洛。看我们现在穿成囚服的样子，因为我们想被关在这里。
好了，演够了。如果你喜欢我们的影片的话，记得帮我们